so hopefully you have had a chance to investigate and find out that some shapes have the same area but a different perimeter, the same perimeter but a different area. And hopefully, like the children in school, you've started to see some patterns about increasing the width or the length and what that does to the area and to the perimeter. So, the last bit, our plenary, we've got a farmer who wants to keep chickens, and he wants to keep the largest number of chickens he can, so he wants a field with the largest area. He's got 60 metres of perimeter fence, so 60 metres all the way around, okay, in total. And we've got to find the way in which you can arrange that, given the biggest area in the middle. So I started to think, how could I break down my 60 metres into a rectangle? So I'm thinking 20 metres by 10 metres. Because we've got 20 metres, 10 metres, 20 metres, 10 metres, that adds up to 60 metres of perimeter fence. What would the area of my field be? Area equals length times width. So the area will be 200 metres. 200. Good. Well done. And well done for remembering the metres squared. Good. So, okay, that's fairly big. That's quite a lot of chickens. Can we improve on that? So I thought to myself, well, I looked at those numbers, and I thought, what would happen if I reduced that by a bit, 18 metres, and I increased that. So I've just reduced that by 2 metres, and I've increased that by 2 metres. So 18 plus 12 is 30, plus 18 plus 12 is 30, that makes 60, so that's a perimeter of 60, and if I multiply them together, it will be 216 metres squared. So actually, that gives me a slightly bigger area, so I can keep more chickens there than I could there. So I'm getting better, I'm getting more, I'm trying ideas. So I'm going to try the same again, and I'm going to try and reduce that one by 2, 16 metres, and I'm going to increase this one by 2, which would be 224 metres squared. So, is that better? Yes, because I can keep more chickens now. I've made a bigger surface area, bigger area, so I can keep more chickens. Wonder if I can improve on it again, or whether I have got the largest field that I can make. I'm going to give it one more go, and I'm going to reduce that by 1, and increase that by 1. Oh, right, equals 225 meters squared. Is that better? Yeah, it's only 1 metre better, but that's an extra chicken. That's an extra egg every day. Especially in rationing, when you're only allowed 1 egg a week, that would be very helpful, wouldn't it? So, just by trial and error, and looking at the patterns, and reducing those numbers and increasing those numbers, I've tried it out until I've got to the largest area that I can make. Okay? Good.